In this video, I'm showing you how to make the easiest empanadas de jamón y queso ever. Crispy, cheesy, and deliciously creamy without even using bechamel sauce. I'll take you step by step and share all my best tips along the way. So make sure to stay till the end so you don't miss the secret that takes them to the next level. Let's get started with the ingredients and step by step. 160 grams of cooked ham cut into small cubes. 226 grams of softened cream cheese. 320 grams of low moisture mozzarella cheese cut into small cubes. 1 tablespoon of dry oregano. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, optional. 20 store-bought puff pastry style empanadas dough. I'm using the 5-inch ones from the Goya brand. Store-bought works great, but if you want to make them from scratch, I've got a super easy recipe on my blog at camillamade.com. Go check it out. In a large bowl, add the mozzarella cheese, ham, softened cream cheese, oregano, and black pepper if using, and mix until everything is well combined and creamy. Here's my first tip. Make sure the cream cheese is at room temperature. It'll mix much more easily and help prevent lumps. Here's my second tip. Before adding the filling, gently stretch each empanada dish with your hands or a rolling pin. It gives you a bit more space and helps keep them sealed while frying. Next, place 2 heaping tablespoons of filling in the center of each disc. Lightly moisten half of the edge with water. Fold it over to form a half moon shape and press the edges well to seal. Then, crimp the edges with a fork to give them that classic look. Here's my third tip. Make sure there's no air trapped inside the empanada. This is key to preventing them from opening or bursting while frying. Not sure how to do it? It's easy. Once you add the filling, before sealing, gently press around the filling with your fingers to push the air out toward the edges. Then fold it and press the edges firmly, starting from one end to the other. This way you'll make sure there's no air left inside. Here's my fourth tip. Make sure the filling doesn't touch the edges. If they get oily, the dough won't seal properly. In a medium, heavy bottom pot, heat the oil until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully place 3 to 4 empanadas at a time in the hot oil without overcrowding the pot. Stir occasionally with a slotted spoon until golden brown, about 3 to 5 minutes total. Here's a simple trick. If you don't have a kitchen thermometer, drop a wooden toothpick into the hot oil. If it immediately starts to bubble, the oil is ready for frying. Transfer them to a tray lined with paper towels or place them on a wire rack to drain the excess oil. Here's my second to last tip. After placing the empanadas in the hot oil, don't move them right away. Let them sit for a few seconds until they float and begin to turn golden on the bottom, then turn and fry until they're evenly golden. And here's my final tip. If you want to keep them warm while you finish frying the rest, place them in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 120 degrees Celsius. And that's it. That's how easy these jamón y queso empanadas are, and they're unbelievably delicious. Once you try them, they're sure to become a favorite. I hope you love this recipe. I'll leave the ingredients here so you can pause and copy them. You can also find them listed in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Ciao!